What's up, guys? In this video, I break down a Litecoin trade that I took yesterday, February 19th. It's just for educational purposes. I hope you enjoy it and I hope you learned something. If there's something else you want to see, just leave a comment down below in the video. Thanks. All right, so there's two trades that I took. The first one was Litecoin. So this is, again, I like to start with the weekly chart with these ranging setups or trending setups. You should always zoom out and look at where the chart has been on a high time frame. And really what I'm seeing here is kind of a massive range here over many, many weeks. And I'm seeing that it's kind of failing to go any higher. So this is a very good level, in my opinion, because it's so high time frame. It's so zoomed out. So I'm very eager in playing at this level. And really the thesis is simple. As I already drew, like it failed to go higher after making these wicks above this key swing point. And it likely is going to do so again. So let's zoom in to the 1 hour chart. This is the setup I took. It's not perfect. I probably could have taken it a little bit more up here and used more leverage, but I would have kept my stop completely the same, which is right behind this wick here, because I do not think it's going to go higher than that. And if it does go higher than this, I imagine that it will have a large continuation move upwards. But let me be very specific of why I'm interested in this. First, this whole area is very high volume down here with no change in price. So this specific wick here is this wick here, you know, huge amount of selling up here. Tried to do it again here, which is this wick, couldn't get there, and now price is kind of falling off a cliff, or sorry, volume is falling off a cliff. So when the volume is high and the price isn't going anywhere, it's a sign of distribution, meaning that there's big sellers and big buyers happening. But in this case, given the context of this like swing failure point, I think it's more so sellers unloading to late buyers here. You know, people that are breakout traders thinking this is going to go to new all-time highs. So I'm hoping that this breaks down. And, you know, last time it was here, let's just kind of zoom out a little more. So it tried to break out here, it failed. Here, it failed. Here, it failed. And my bet is it will fail again. There's one other indicator. Let me show you the open interest real quick. Let's quickly look at the VELO data on Litecoin. And I'll include a link to sign up for VELO in my bio. It's free. If you use my ref link, you'll be supporting me, and I appreciate that. But quickly, VELO is great. If you haven't seen my other videos, I like to use it a lot. It's easy to pull in a lot of data, and you can't beat the price. So I think the most important thing is open interest here on this short. And on the 1 hour time frame, I mean, this thing is, should I just do it like that? It's back at its December highs, and the rise that it's had is incredibly fast. And the rapid rise in open interest, plus the fact that it's at a key inflection point, leads me to believe there will be some kind of price reversal. So that is open interest. Some other things I like to look at are the spot bid. So this chart is the amount of cumulative spot bid in green, and then the gray is the cumulative total bid, and that also includes like futures contracts or perps. So as you can kind of see here, like this is just straight down. So I don't see anything here that gets me like incredibly bullish on Litecoin. So yeah, piecing the VELO data together with the price action and the volume that I outlined, it leads me to be pretty bearish on Litecoin. Now let's fast forward a day to February 20th, where I'll give an update on the Litecoin trade. This is an update on the Litecoin trade. This is where I entered up here. This is my stop. I'm already at my first take profit level here at this point of control node here. I'm hoping I can get at least one more take profit level. The way that I'm thinking about cutting this early, if we go all the way down to the bottom of this range, I'll be ecstatic. I'm not 100% certain if that's going to happen. The way that I'm thinking of invalidating this trade or cutting it early before I hit the take profit levels is if we lose this 5-minute moving average. If we lose the 5-minute 200 trend, I will probably cut this, and it will be, it'll be a fine gain, honest day's work. So that's the Litecoin trade. I hope you learned something. Leave a comment down below in the video if you want to see something else or have questions. Thanks so much.